So if you have a Dometic RV refrigerator like ours right here, and you have absolutely no power to your control panel inside, maybe your 110 breaker looks fine, not finding any fuses inside related to the refrigerator. There are fuses inside the access panel here, but we'll show you how to test those in a different video. I want to show you a quick, simple little fix that might take care of your problem right away. Okay, so here at the back of the refrigerator, one of the first things we want to check is that there's no yellow residue down here around the bottom of the chimney and the burner. That could indicate that the refrigerator might have a failed or leaky refrigerator coil, in which case you'd have to either replace the coil or replace the fridge. As you can see, we don't have any of that going on here at all. But if your controls for your fridge just won't turn on at all, first thing to check is this little reset button and these little red wires as they come back to the control box here. Sometimes there's an inline fuse on one of those wires, but there is a little reset button right here that you can press, and if you hear a click, you can go back to your refrigerator again and see if your panel now has power. So I hope this little fix got you up and going, back to enjoying your summer travels. I appreciate it if you like the video. Comment down below. Would love to hear what you guys have to say. And until next time, we'll catch you on the road.